then these on the side here.
Yes. What are they?
These little side stickers.
Yeah, I think
that goes like that.
I think the whole thing is just gonna go like.
And you think these just go right here?
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna take off the backing and just slap it on.
Just slap it on there. Unless you want to cut it up and rearrange it all, you can. What does it say on the instructions? Says, ooh, ooh, I'm blinded by the light. Temper, blah, blah, blah. Even stronger sunlight, non-yellowing, flat or almost flat surfaces. Tech protector. I guess you're going to fucking put it wherever the hell you want to put it.
So I'm going to pour some ice football alcohol in this and just rub it down, right?
Just a tidbit, yeah. Enough to get your greasy fingerprints off it. And it's red. Yay.
I bought it, or I put it on my list specifically as red.
Christmas. Bob bugging home. Dude, you got the wrong motherfucker doing this, dude.
You want me to try? You keep yelling at me with the cockeye.
No, that's a flash. Right.
Yeah, at least we have this body line to go down.
Good?
Good enough.
Yeah, throw that big motherfucker on there. Oh, no, give me a terry claw. It's nice, isn't it? Break the there,
Right there.
yeah, that don't look good. Oh, maybe that way a little bit more. Look your hand. Look at this hand. You ain't got it stuck, do you? Take it a hold it. You hold it top.
Putting stickers.
Who needs stickers?
Me. That's like white.
And you're video in it?
Trying to.
How's that?
That looks real good. That makes that look a little cockeye, but
That would be these little ones.
stick them wherever you want.
Side here, just like right on the other side of the body line. Go low with
Yeah,
it.
the only problem is this is a little cockeye there, but
Because I guess it's supposed to go like right here.
yeah, stick it. Supposed to protect the tank. That one you got plenty of room on the line. This one you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it looks bad. It's going to protect your tank. And it puts a little color on a bike. And it's nice because now you got extra red that breaks it all up. So it's just not so white.